Hello guys, I'm gonna introduce how to count birds. 鳥 I introduce humans, animals, like big animals, 一頭二頭 small animal 一匹二匹 and bird. Today bird 鳥 I guess I already introduced before. そう鳥 bird it's like pigeon, tiny bird, I don't know the name. 1羽2羽3羽1羽2羽3羽1羽 This is 羽2羽3羽4羽 So same character. And this 羽 this character you can also say 羽 wing, you know. So this is 1羽 but also you can say 羽 wing. So you can count 1羽2羽3羽 but it's like a really big bird. ダチョウ ostrich I pronounce correct? Ostrich ダチョウは you can say 1羽2羽 or 1頭2頭3頭 so like the toe, you know. For the big animal I say you should say 1頭2頭3頭toe. So for ostrich you can say 1頭2頭3頭 or 1羽2羽3羽 and I was keep reading the book and in the book say why the big animal we use toe to count. These characters means head, atama, head. So like long time ago, like you have to count a lot of, let's say horse or cow was cow, and you just cannot count the animal 1匹2匹3匹 so they count their head, one to how many head you can see, you know, and then they just say that's why 1頭2頭3頭 use this character. That was beginning. Anyway, today the lesson was how to count bird. So bird you can say 1羽2羽3羽4羽です。以上です。That's all. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.